Assalamualaikum dear student, I am Miss Noreen from Beria College Karim campus. Today we are going to study about lesson number 4 in composition, and our topic is writing about people. Before going to our topic, whenever you are writing about any people, first you must observe the people, then you should write about the people. So here are some points observing the people. As you know, everyone is unique, everyone behave differently. What is more fun than sitting somewhere on a park bench, at the beach or in terrace and watch people go by? Posture, movements, non-verbal and verbal behavior all can be observed. Watching people, seeing their behaviors, looking at the performance is interesting for many reasons. It's fun, but it is also very revealing. Knowing what motivates people, why they do what they do, and how they respond to influence around them will lead to improvements in terms of quality of life. And third point is, if you want to control as much of the environment as possible to prevent your observation from being interrupted by a rainstorm or a barking dog, the best place to perform your observation is in a laboratory where you have full control. And one more point which I have to tell you: being a teacher, being a student, being a human being, we can observe everyone. So writing about the people, now come to our topic, that how we write about people. Writing about people, we write with the person first perspective. Whether you are writing for an internal or external audience, it's important to write for and about other people in a way that is compassionate. Write for and about the other people, inclusive and respectful. Being aware of the impact of your language will help make Green River College a better place to work and a better steward of your values in the world. So here, whenever you are writing about any people who belongs to any professions, who belongs to any background, so you have keep in mind some values of the word, some values of the other people, that you do not write such things which hurts their feelings, their emotions. So here are some important points, some characteristics whenever you are observing people. So you have to notice these things, then you write. Then you come to write about people, then you should write these things. For example, here face, build, clothes. So whenever you are see the ears of any people, so you have noticed that their ear is long, short, straight, wavy, black, brown, untidy, etc. So whenever you are noticing a face of any pupils, then you must keep in mind the shape of pupil, forehead, eyes, eyebrows, ears, nose, mouth, lips, teeth, complexion. So whenever you are noticing the shape of pupil, so it's common, some people have round shape, square shape, oval shape, pear shape, etc. And whenever you are seeing the forehead of any pupil, then some people have flat forehead, some have high, some have narrow, some have wrinkled, some has etc. Whenever now you are noticing the eyes may be a large, small, round, beady, almond shape, is sparkling, dark brown, blue, etc. And now, like this, everybody have their different features, everybody have their different complexion, different lips shapes, different mouth, different nose, different ears, eyebrows. So these characteristics must be noticed. Now come to the build, that you notice that the pupil is tall, short, thin, fat, slim, shouted. So these are the things you keep in mind whenever you are writing a pupil. And one more thing, whenever you are writing a pupil, then you must notice the clothes of the pupil, like untidy, fashionable, gaudy, outlandish, shabby. So everybody wear their worn clothes, like some wish to wear the western, some likes the eastern dresses. So whenever you are writing about any people, so you must keep in mind that what they are wearing. Okay, now come to the revision of the lesson. observing people, writing about people, and some important points. So before going to writing, you must observe the people, then come to the writing, then come to the some important points which we discussed in last slide. So here I have given you, here I taken homework from your textbook, that is, observe any one of the following people carefully, then write a detailed description of the person as he or she appears to you. Now it's your choice, you choose any one of them. The first one is a watchman, the second one is a teacher, and the fourth one and the third one is taxi driver. So I giving you these topics because these are the very common. You watch the watchman, you have seen your teachers, you also seen the taxi driver, so it's easy for you to choose one of them. I hope you all understand. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.